most beautiful gift ever, and I know that's why you're here, and da-da-da-da, and it just shows such simplicity. You know what I'm saying? Yes. And I just feel like, I'm children, but I see what's going on with beauty and this, that, and the other, and they have no sense of simplicity. They have no sense of it.
I don't even understand it.
I'm like, how are we going to get an artist out of this? How are we going to get a free-spirited person?
And it's there because that's how we are. You are. You know what I mean? So, like that.
But I just don't always watch the TV. Like, how can we be that?
SpongeBob. He is a SpongeBob. SpongeBob's on.
It's like a SpongeBob TV, video thing, or something like this.
No, we watch our videos.
Really? That's good.
We don't really watch much TV.
That's good.
Sports with somebody. That's it.
It'd be nice. It's my sister, her kid, she has 3 kids. They won't. Once they get into the texting thing, they're done, especially men. Forget it. It's terrible. And I find myself doing it back, but at the same time, I'm like,